Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Joseph Inovero, and today I'm here to test my new Rode Wireless Go 2 compact digital wireless microphone system slash recorder. It's right here. This is the transmitter microphone, and then the receiver is connected to my Sony A7C camera right now. To test it, I just want to talk. Right now, my Sony A7C's audio recording level is set to 15. And then the Rode wireless receiver, the audio level is set to mid-level. How do I sound? Does it sound good or not? So let me know in the comments below if you bought this Rode Wireless Go 2 and if you liked it or not. Or let me know if you are interested in buying it. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button. And thank you for watching.